Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of the demo one. I hope you like this video, but before we get started, I want you to like and subscribe, please. That helps me a lot so I can start streaming. Okay, anyway, let's kill this guy. Okay, I picked up his ammo. Damn. Oh my god, these are a lot. Oh no, I died.
Thank you that you killed me.
It's okay guys,
my
it's
load
okay.
out.
This gun.
No.
I
don't want the gun, bro.
Something like that.
I don't want to die. Kill me.
Okay, let's
Kill me,
scour.
man.
I think there's someone behind the wall. Oh, there's not. No, there is. I'm gonna throw a grenade just in case. It's gonna explode my... Yes.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, anyways, I need to tell why I'm making this video. I'm trying to get a butterfly knife, the butterfly knife. So I'll upload you when I get that. So right now, oh my god, that was a crazy kill. Oh no, there's another one. Can I shoot him through the stairs? Oh no, kill me. Oh my knife. I gotta kill him with, yes, I killed him with the knife. Let's go. Oh my god, why is there so much? Get close. Get close and use the knife. Get close and use the knife. Get close and use the knife. How's this guy not dying? I killed this guy instead. Oh my god, bro. What the hell? Okay, finally. That was annoying. Oh my god, there's someone right there. I'm gonna kill him with a knife. Oh no, I missed. Oh, what? I missed? Oh, finally.
Enemy contact.
My god, there are a lot of people, guys. A lot of people. Oh, damn it, I died. Let's go. I'm gonna attack them.
Enemy.
Watch me kill them all with knives. Yeah. Look at this kill. Oh, yes, sir. Oh my god, my screen. What the hell? Oh my god, what the hell is happening to my screen? Damn, kill him. Let's go. Oh no, people are shooting me from the back. Gotta kill them with the knife. Oh, fire, let's go. Make a burn fire. Damn, kill everybody in my way. Let's go. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Kill this guy. Let's go. Behind him. Oh, how did I miss that? Yes, finally. Oh, another kill. That was very cool. Oh my god. Holy. Wow. Guys, that was crazy. Right there. Oh my god, double kill. Let's go, guys. What's this do? Did a brick on scanner because guys, oh no, I died. Oh, somebody sent an airstrike on me. Oh my god. I'm planning an airstrike on them. Ha! Through. Oh, sir. That's not gonna do nothing. Oh, what did I... Oh my god, thank god I didn't die. Thought I was about to die. Oh my god, bro. How is he killing me?
He got my ass, bro.
He just killed me with the knife. No, with the gun. I didn't see it. I don't get to see. Is there someone in the car? Oh my god, there's 3. No, actually 4. They burned me.
Enemy contact.
Why did I look burnt? I was burnt like a chicken nugget. Kill him. No, how am I missing? Kill him.
Contact with enemy.
Guys, we're dying. That's bad.
Contact with enemy.
My god. My god, bro, let's go. I hope I get a good kill. Oh my god, that was nice. That was nice.
Enemy sight.
Oh my god. Let's go! That was a crazy kill. Crazy kill. Damn, he killed me. I don't know how that worked. But he killed me. Oh yeah. I gotta attack him faster.
I'm dying.
No! How do I keep on dying, bro? Like, this is annoying. Kill him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, guys.
Oh my god. The health plan is the nearest strike. That was annoying. How the hell did he kill me? Oh my god, what's happening to my screen, fam? Bro's hacking. Go.
Enemy in sight. Enemy contact.
God, did the game end or no? Oh, let's go. We got a victory, guys. This is the MVP. Yes, sir. You already know I'm the MVP.
Contact with enemy.
Go, guys. So that was crazy.
Enemy in sight.
Anyway, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. And it's been Demo. And I'm out.
They shall me
Mission accomplished. Good work.
لا انه like يعني if their brother عم بيموت من school shooting بتدخل shooter هيك قصدي. Wait, let me check my net, guys.